What's up guys, welcome back, it's Kongboy. In this video, I'll be following up my previous one on why blockchains are not as private as many people think, and I'll be explaining some of the specific examples from blockchains to blockchain ecosystems, and even applications that can help with privacy. Like I said in my last video, blockchains are publicly transparent by design, but this does not mean that you have to reveal your identity and have it attached to a wallet as long as you can follow the right steps. This first set of examples were also the earliest to implement privacy into blockchains, and they're similar to Bitcoin in that they pretty much just allow for simple transactions. The first example is Monero, and most people think of it as a privacy token when it's more importantly a privacy network. It used to be called Bitcoin, and they use crypto note technology. It's also frequently used to buy goods from the black market, also known as the dark web. And Zcash is a token similar to this. It was a fork of Bitcoin that started in 2016, and it's also just a privacy token with a privacy blockchain. Dash is another Bitcoin fork that has built-in privacy. There's a bunch of these other Bitcoin forks that try to do privacy, but Zcash and Dash were the top two. This next set of examples are privacy ecosystems, or layer 2s, that allow for private smart contracts, which include DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and other stuff. The first one is Social Network, and it's its own chain on the Cosmos ecosystem SDK, with applications based in smart contracts that allow for DeFi, NFTs, games, social, and all the other stuff that we see on the big chain. Transaction data is entirely private, and details can only be revealed with what's called a viewing key. There's also Oasis Network, which is a private smart contract chain similar to Secret Network, and users can earn rewards by staking tokenized data within dApps that the applications can use to analyze. And this means that not only are users in full control of their data, but they're also perfectly private, and they can monetize this under their own conditions. Aztec Network, with their website zk.money, is a true Ethereum layer 2, and they use ZK snarks to get this done. So this means they use zero-knowledge proofs in order to keep transactions private on layer 2. And it enables private DeFi, as well as solid fixed rate loans and private transactions that can go back to layer 1. So a very secure chain with a lot of functionality. I'll make a video talking a bit more about zero-knowledge proofs and how it's used in things like Aztec, Tornado Cash, which I'm going to mention in a second, and all the other use cases including medical, financial, and other things privacy related. And the next set of examples include privacy applications that are often on Ethereum. And the first one is Tornado Cash. You've heard of this one, and it's a currency mixer that anonymizes the tokens when you withdraw it after having deposited. So it is sanctioned by the US Treasury, which means that the website has been taken down, and anyone that uses it after that sanction was announced is at risk of getting sanctioned themselves. So even though the website is down, there are alternative versions of accessing the website, like through IPFS, Interplanetary File System, or you could just interact with the backend of the contract if you can know how to do that. But there's also a compliance tool where the original wallet that deposited into the mixer can be revealed because of the note that was given to the depositor so that they can comply with any regulations. So this means that even if you get caught using Tornado Cash, you're not completely screwed because you can comply with regulations and prove where the money originally came from. Orchid is a decentralized application, but also somewhat of a network, and it's a VPN that takes cryptocurrency in the form of micropayments in their Orchid token in order for users to pay providers of bandwidth on the network. And they can access this privately, and they do what's called hopping between these providers. And finally, there is Skiff. Skiff is an email application that has end-to-end encryptions for all messages, and it also uses IPFS. And emails can be sent to people's wallet address or using their ENS domain. This is a shorter video, and it's meant to just give an example of all the different kinds of privacy applications and layers that there are. But I can make some videos going into more depth on some of these specific applications, as well as the technology behind it, like zero-knowledge proofs, which I'm doing in my next video. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll catch you later.